Konnichiwa, little explorers! Welcome to Hikazoo! Yay!
Once upon a soft morning beside a quiet pond, there lived a tiny yellow duckling named Pip. The pond sparkled like a blue blanket, and little flowers nodded in the breeze. Mama Duck, Papa Duck, and Pip's brothers and sisters glided over the water, leaving silver ripples behind them. But Pip did not swim. He stood on the warm grass at the pond's edge, holding his favorite green leaf close. "The water looks deep," whispered Pip, "and big and wobbly." His brothers and sisters paddled in circles and called softly, "Come in, Pip. The water is nice." Pip took one little step. He dipped one tiny foot into the pond. Plip! The water felt cool, and Pip quickly pulled back, hiding beside Mama Duck. Mama Duck tucked him under her soft wing. "It is okay to feel scared," she said. "Brave does not mean you are never afraid. Brave means you try one small step at a time." Pip looked at the pond. One small step sounded possible. Just then, a friendly frog hopped onto a smooth stone. "Hello, Pip," said the frog. "The water near the edge is very shallow. It only tickles my toes." The frog dipped one foot in and smiled. Pip watched, then touched the water with the tip of his wing. Plip-plop! "That was a brave touch," said Papa Duck. Pip smiled a tiny smile. Next, Mama Duck stood beside him in the shallow water. "I am right here," she said. "You are safe." Pip stepped in with one foot, then the other. The water hugged his little legs. "It is not grabbing me," Pip whispered. "No," said Mama Duck. "It is holding you gently." Pip leaned on Mama Duck and floated for one quiet moment. "Tiny paddles," said Papa Duck. Pip moved his feet. Paddle, paddle. Stop. Paddle, paddle. Soft rings spread around him. Then a breeze came by. Whoosh! Pip's green leaf fluttered from the grass and landed on the pond, just a little way from the edge. "My leaf," said Pip. Mama Duck nodded kindly. "You can try," she said, "and we are with you." Pip took a slow breath, stepped in, and paddled once, then twice, then all by himself. Paddle, paddle, paddle. The water felt soft. The pond felt calm. Pip reached his leaf and gave it a happy little nudge. "I did it," he whispered. His family cheered gently. "You are brave, Pip." Pip giggled. The water is not so scary now. When the sun turned orange and pink, Pip swam beside his family across the sleepy pond. Being brave means trying, even when something feels scary.